Question number 5. This question is from inorganic chemistry, from the topic of chemical bonding, and it states that the correct statements for O3 are O3. I hope you all must be knowing is the ozone molecule, and we have been given 4 statements and we have to identify which of the following 4 statements is correct. There may be more than one correct option. Okay, I am reminding you that. So first statement says that OO, that is the oxygen bond lengths are equal. Is this a correct option? Let us consider it. Let us draw the structure of ozone. Ozone structure, as we all know, we have one oxygen atom at the center, which is again bonded with a double bond O to another oxygen atom, and this is single bonded to a third oxygen atom. This oxygen atom has 2 lone pairs. This oxygen atom has 3 lone pairs. So since it has 3 lone pairs, it will give it a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons in its valency shell. That means a formal charge of -1. And this oxygen atom has 1 lone pair. Okay, if you count the valency electrons for this oxygen atom, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means 5. Oxygen normally has 6, here it has 5. So that means a formal charge of +1. This is the structure of ozone. We all know that resonance is possible over here, and we can draw one more contributing structure for ozone. The other structure will be wherein this pi bond moves to this oxygen atom and one of the lone pairs from this oxygen atom shifts in as the pi bond. So the structure which we'll get from that will be one oxygen atom at the center, single bond O and a double bond oxygen atom. This oxygen atom will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 3 lone pairs and a negative formal charge. This oxygen atom will have 1 lone pair and a positive formal charge. This oxygen atom will have 2 lone pairs. Okay, as both these structures are identical, so we can calculate the bond order for the above molecule as 1 plus pi by sigma, where pi is the number of pi bonds and sigma is the number of sigma bonds. So this will give us the overall bond order for this molecule as the bond order as, if we substitute the values, BO will be equal to, bond order will be 1 plus 1 pi bond and 2 sigma bonds. So that will be a bond order of 1.5. So 1.5 is the bond order, and since both the canonical structures are equivalent, the OO bond length will be equal. So that means that A option will be correct. After option A, I am going to C. It says that O3 is diamagnetic in nature. This of course will be a correct option, because in O3 molecule there are no unpaired electrons, and since there are no unpaired electrons, it won't be a paramagnetic molecule, it will be a diamagnetic molecule. So C option is correct. Let us come to option D. It says that O3 has a bent structure. This I hope must be obvious from the structures drawn below that it is a bent structure, so D will also be a correct option. So now we only have to examine option B. Option B says the thermal decomposition of O3 is endothermic. Now this is a fairly interesting option, because what happens is that in general the decomposition reactions are endothermic. But let us consider the decomposition of O3. We can write the equation of decomposition as O3 goes to 3O2. And if we look at both these products and the reactants and the products, that is O3 and O2, we know that O2 is thermodynamically more stable, because when we consider the standard heat of formation, we consider delta HF of O2 as 0. Okay, so it is thermodynamically more stable, and O3 is thermodynamically less stable. Okay, so since a less stable reactant is getting converted into a more stable product, so energy will be released in this reaction, and delta H for the reaction will be negative, which means that the reaction will be an exothermic reaction. And since it is an exothermic, which is a rare case, I must tell you, because generally these decomposition reactions are mostly endothermic in nature, but in case of O3, this won't be an endothermic reaction, it will be an exothermic reaction. So option B will not be our correct answer. That means A, C and D will be the correct answers. Thank you.